Get index of series where value is true. How do I select only true values? What I have tried. This includes C while I need to return a list of A, B and D.
If you just want to return the index which is A, B, C, D, in your case use the index attribute. If you want it as a list,
The code miseries returns. If you specifically want a list of A, B, D, then you can it by list miseries.index.
Fix your code.
filter index values by series. If performance is important, convert both to NumPy array and then filter. Performance. Another answers.
You can use list comprehension for it. Output.
If you underscore channel, please consider subscribing.